Daisies, welcome back to my channel. I'm your personal tarot reader Daisy. So आज की जो reading है, it's all about your July prediction and we are going to see what's happening in your July month. And I have posted 3 piles. You can select your pile to those screenshots that I've posted, and timestamps are given down in the description box. You can select your pile from there. So let's start our reading. Hello, pile number one. So let's see what's coming for you in your July month. So let's see what's coming for you in your July month. Okay. So first we will see आपके finances. Finances, pile number one. आपकी education, आपके finances, आपकी job. Okay. Magician, आपकी personal life. Okay. Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords. आपकी health. Okay. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Nice. And आपकी romantic life, love life. Okay, for now, nice. Ace of Cups. And overall, one overall card. How's overall month going for you? How's the overall month for pile one is going? Okay, Four of Wands. Okay, so first of all, pile number one, I really feel in इन योर फाइनेंसेस यू आर सीइंग सम ग्रोथ. आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ग्रोथ आ रही है, आपकी लाइफ में कुछ नया बिगनिंग्स आ रही है आपकी लाइफ में इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर फाइनेंशियल वेलबींग. आपकी जॉब या आप अपने करियर में या अपने स्कूल लाइफ या कॉलेज लाइफ में आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, तो दैट्स द थिंग विच इज़ एंडिंग. द स्ट्रगल्स आर एंडिंग फॉर यू इन योर जॉब, career fields, or your in your student life. And the thing is, I really feel that now you will be the boss, now you will be the leader, and you will be the one जो जिसको सब कुछ पता होगा अपनी फील्ड के बारे में, and you will be like, ask me any question and I will answer you. July month will be the month where you will feel very confident in your job or in the work, in the surrounding of your work field. People will appreciate you for your work and for your work life, and they will appreciate you for how balanced your life is, and आप कितना अच्छे से अपनी लाइफ को बैलेंस करके चलते हो. In terms of your personal life, I really feel that there might be some chaos going around in your personal life. uh, I really feel that you might feel a little bit trapped energy में आप रह सकते हो, that आपकी फैमिली में कुछ लाइक डिफरेंसेस हो सकते हैं या अनबन हो सकती है कुछ, कि आप कुछ अपनी फैमिली को ऑफर कर रहे हो एंड दे आर लाइक, नो, वी डोंट वांट दिस एंड वी डोंट वांट एनी काइंड ऑफ change in our life, because actually you want some kind of change. You are eager to change something around your home or around, आप अपने around कुछ changes लाना चाहते हो अपनी life में, but your family is totally opposite of your decisions. They're like, we don't want change, because they have been living for so many years with that mindset of not changing everything around you. And that's why you are feeling very depressed, or that's why you are feeling very stuck. And आई रियली फील दैट यू नीड टू चेंज अ लॉट, लाइक आपको अपनी पर्सनल इन्वायरमेंट में बहुत चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी नीडेड. एंड जुलाई मंथ में यू विल टेक एक्शंस, वेदर your family will feel good or whether they will feel bad. You will be like, I need change in my life and I will going to change everything which is not serving me. So आप अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में बहुत चेंजेस ला रहे हो. Health wise, your health is really pretty good, and you are going to be doing some kind of cardio work, or you might join gym with this in this month. And आप कुछ अपना like नई कोई पिलाटीज क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर सकते हो या कोई योगा क्लास, अपनी वेल बींग को अच्छा रखने के लिए यू माइट ज्वाइन सम क्लासेस. आप शायद कोई डांस क्लास भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो विच माइट हेल्प यू टू कोप अप विद योर बॉडी एंड टू रिफ्रेशन योर बॉडी. ठीक है, आप बहुत टाइम से लेज़ी हो रहे थे कि आपको मन नहीं कर रहा था कुछ भी करने का, तो आई रियली फील कि आप कोई क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर रहे हो विच इज़ मेकिंग यू फील मोर गुड एंड योर हेल्थ इज़ गुड, इट्स प्रिटी गुड. प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योर मेंटल हेल्थ. मतलब वो थोड़ी सी आपकी ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है. डू सम मेडिटेशन which will really help you to cope up with your negative energy. Okay, your love life is going very very good. If you're single, there might be some person, someone may enter into your life, and this person may be like your ideal type, how you wanted someone to be in your life as a romantic partner. As for the people who are in relationship or married, I really feel you will spend a good time with your partner. You will spend a pretty good time with your partner, and I really feel that you will communicate with each other a lot. Like you will have deep conversation, heart to heart conversation with your partner, which will feel very soothing and relaxing. Sometimes you need to have some deep concept conversations with your partner. It really helps. And I really feel that in your love life or in your marriage, I really feel that you might go on some dates or you make a trip to go somewhere. You might enjoy some time with your partner, like and doing some different kind of stuff like dates पे जाना and something exotic also, कुछ ऐसे exotic चीज़ें करना which you have never done before. This whole month, the energy of this whole month is like a party for you, and I really feel you will be enjoying a lot in this month because there will be a lot of interaction with people this month. You might have आपके mm, बहुत सारे connections built हो सकते हैं इस month. You might connect with a lot of people which might help you to grow in your field, in your workspace or in your life. And definitely there might be some kind of celebration which you uh, you might go to, और आप किसी celebration का part भी बन रहे हैं. You might get invited किसी celebration में which will feel very good and you will be enjoying very very much. You might visit a temple or a gurdwara or some kind of a place where it's very spiritual in nature. वहाँ पर visit कर सकते हो. You will feel very lightweight and very soothing there. So let's see what's more for you. File one. File one. Tell me what. Okay, friendly. Yeah, definitely you are connecting with many people. Like friendliness card आया है, तो it means that you are connecting with many people around you and बहुत नए connections build हो रहे हैं आपके. Turning in. Definitely you are doing some kind of a meditation or stuff which will help you to heal a lot of from lot of things. Like ये जैसे आपको आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है तो उससे आपको हेल्प मिलेगी. एंड सी व्हाट आई लाइक एक्सप्लेन टू यू, वही सेम चीज़ आई है कि बाहर वाले लोग आपको बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, आपकी फैमिली आपको मना करेगी चेंजेस लाने के लिए, बट इट्स नीडेड फॉर योर बेनिफिट. तो यू शुड do some changes in your life. Flowering, definitely there is some growth in your life, there is some kind of change or sudden change in your life which will help you to grow, and एक बहुत beautiful growth आ रही है आपके लिए, so be ready for it. It's something which will make you feel beautiful and handsome. Silence, I really feel that you will like to listen this month, you will like to listen more of like, आप अपना ज़्यादा yapping नहीं करोगे, आप लोगों की सुनोगे इस मंथ में कि what they want to say, what they are trying to say, और आप बहुत लोगों को observe भी करोगे अपने चारों तरफ. So let's see more what's more for you. Pile one, pile one के लिए और क्या है? Harmony. Definitely yes. You will feel very lightweight this month. Like second half of this month will be very peaceful and very relaxing. You will feel kind of making yourself more calm and peaceful. You won't be like, oh, I need to say something or I need to do something. Like आप हड़बड़ी में नहीं रहोगे इस मंथ में. आप बहुत ज़्यादा शांत, अपने आप को शांत करोगे, अपना स्वभाव बदलोगे. ये चीज़ मैं देख रही हूँ. And definitely you are going somewhere, like you are traveling to a certain place which is very spiritual in nature. So let's see what's more for you. And I really feel that you might like to stay at night, like you will really like to be awake at night and see the moon. And आपको ये चीज़ like लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि no you have to sleep, but um, if you like to spend some time under the shade of the moon, you can, like it will make you more calm, it will feel very good. Okay, protect your peace, get rid of toxicity, cleanse your space and cultivate love. Pile number one, in what I said, please bring change in your surrounding, please bring change in your environment. वो it's necessary, and definitely you will bring some change in your mind environment. Sometimes you have to get rid of the old to receive the new. Definitely yes, you need to get rid of the old energy to receive a new energy in your life. So pile number one, I really feel that this month is going to be certainly good for you, and it's bringing peace, more abundance, more new energy, and an unexpected opportunity, unexpected ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है आपकी लाइफ में, और ये बहुत टाइम तक रहने वाली है ये चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में. और it's a very beautiful month, and it's like something is shifting in your life which is which is very beautiful in nature. So that's all for pile one. If you like this reading, please do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and like this video. And I do take personal readings. If you want to have a session with me, please do contact me on my Instagram page. I will be there for you guys, and I will meet you again in the next reading. Bye. Hello, pile number two. So let's see what's coming for you in your July month. So let's see what's coming for you in your July month. So first, it's King of Cups, Nine of Cups, okay, the Devil, pile number two, okay, the Six of Pentacles, and overall energy, okay. I just need the clarity card. Wow. Okay, temperance. Wow. Okay. So pile number one. First of all, pile number two. Sorry. Uh, First of all, I really feel आपकी जो फाइनेंशियल लाइफ में और करियर लाइफ में और जॉब, अगर जॉब करते हैं या आपकी स्टूडेंट, आप स्टूडेंट है, इफ यू आर इन कॉलेज और स्कूल, आई रियली फील दैट your work field will calm you, like it won't be that hectic, और आपकी जो स्टूडेंट लाइफ है वो इतनी हेक्टिक नहीं होगी, वो बहुत काम होगी, and it's something which will be not too much busy. Like this month it's not going to be very busy for you, like this month will be very relaxing. And I really feel that this month is going to be like cash flow बहुत ज़्यादा होगा आपकी लाइफ में. Money will come in liquid form, and there will be a lot of stress free energy, बिकॉज फाइनेंशियली आप थोड़ा सा, आपको एक रिलैक्समेंट मिलेगा ड्यू टू सर्टेन अनएक्सपेक्टेड मनी कमिंग इन टू योर लाइफ. कहीं से आपको फाइनेंशियल हेल्प मिल रही है विच इज़ वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड. आपका कोई पैसा कहीं फंसा हुआ था, वो आप अब आपको मिल रहा है वापस फाइनली. एज फॉर योर पर्सनल लाइफ, आई रियली फील दैट if your family is in some kind of a business or some kind of, like your family runs a business, so it's going to be very good, like आपका financial well-being बहुत अच्छा है, and that's why personal life में भी बहुत happiness and बहुत joy रहेगा. There won't be any kind of chaos going around in your personal life also. And I really feel there were a lot of things you were manifesting, and it was related to your personal life. So वो चीज़ें इस महीने सच हो रही हैं आपके लिए, like the wishes are coming true for you. So embrace those wishes with the golden heart. Okay, आपको साइंस मिलेंगे बहुत सारे, आपको शायद एंजल नंबर दिख सकते हैं. सो डोंट इग्नोर देम, embrace it with a golden heart. Okay, I think health wise there might be some issues related to your mental or your stomach related issues हो सकते हैं. So please be careful and don't think, like overthink a lot about your future. Please enjoy the present, which is very beautiful. So don't think overly about random things which are not even true. Okay, uh, the negative things are just manipulating your mind, so stop overthinking. वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा घुमा रहा है, सो आपको मैनिपुलेट कर रहा है, नेगेटिव चीज़ें मैनिपुलेट करती हैं, सो स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग. And your love life, I really feel if you're single, so I think so there might be certain someone in your life which you have a crush on, or which अगर आपको कोई पर्सन पसंद है तो आई रियली फील दैट पर्सन विल गिव यू सम गिफ्ट, और यू माइट गिव देम अ गिफ्ट टू गिव देम अ हिंट, और वो भी कुछ आपको हिंट्स दे सकते हैं आप लाइक अपने लिए. एंड if you're married or you are in a relationship, I really feel that कि आपके ना, आपके पार्टनर के बीच में देयर माइट बी सम काइंड ऑफ गिफ्ट एक्सचेंज होगा कुछ. एंड आप, या लाइक ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है कि आप उन्हें गिफ्ट दो या वो आपको कोई गिफ्ट दे. ठीक है, कुछ ऐसा गिव एंड टेक वाला चीज़ होगा, एंड बहुत सडनली होगा. इट विल बी अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू एज वेल, एंड इट विल फील वेरी लाइक ब्लिसफुल फॉर यू. बहुत, आप बहुत खुश होंगे कि ओके. और आपकी लाइफ में ना कुछ यू माइट कन्फेस ऑल्सो इफ यू लाइक समवन, तो आप किसी से अपनी फीलिंग कन्फेस कर सकते हो, एंड दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो रेसिप्रोकेट योर फीलिंग्स एज वेल. सो ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. एंड देर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ, इफ यू आर मैरिड और इफ यू आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप, आई फील कि ना आपके आपके पार्टनर के बीच में और आपके बीच में ना बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्वर्सेशन होगा विल which will have a lot of magic words in them, and it will feel very overwhelming for you as well. But you will feel very blissful and good. As for the overall month, I really feel that it's just the thing is like you are overthinking a lot this month, but please like the guiding angels and your ancestors that will tell you that we are with you. Your God आप में जिसकी फेथ है वो भी आपको बताएंगे दैट दे आर विद यू सो स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग एंड स्टॉप procrastinating about things you want to do. आपकी लाइफ में बहुत बैलेंस आ रहा है इस मंथ में, तो आपको बोला जाएगा कि ओवर थिंकिंग मत करो एंड टेक एक्शन ऑन द थिंग्स यू वांट टू टेक ऑन एंड थिंग्स आर वर्किंग आउट फॉर यू एज वेल. लाइक बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपकी स्टक थी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी थी विच वर नॉट going in a great way, but now is the time which will be like इट्स गोइंग अहेड. लाइक ग्रोथ आ रही है, बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रही है, बैलेंस आ रहा है आपकी लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा. इज दिस मंथ इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी ग्रेट फॉर यू. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स मोर फॉर यू. टू पाइल टू के लिए और क्या मैसेज है? वेट, पाइल टू के लिए और क्या मैसेज? ओके, द आउटसाइडर. आई रियली फील दैट कि आप ना थोड़ा सा अलग फील कर सकते हो इस मंथ में, थोड़ा सा डिप्रेस फील कर सकते हो, बट I really, I just want to tell you, please stop thinking about the future. Just be in the present and enjoy it. Courage. I really feel that you will find your courage this month. Like कुछ करने का ना जज्बा आपको इस month में जरूर मिलेगा. Okay, wait. The master. Okay. I really feel that कि इस month में ना you are taking your own decisions. You are taking things in your hand. Now you don't want anyone else support or anyone else decisions which were made by them for you. So आप अपने decisions इस महीने खुद ले रहे हो. आप suppression, जो भी आपका like जो भी suppression हुआ है in past years or past months में, वो आप तोड़ रहे हो and you are just coming out of your cocoon and you are like, now I want my life to be going in my like I want my life to be in my way. ठीक है, आप अपने लिए डिसीजंस ले रहे हो. There will be lot of flowers which might be given to you and आप बहुत खुश होंगे. शायद आपके पार्टनर आपको फ्लावर्स भी देंगे which will really make you happy. So let's see what's more for you. File 2 के लिए और क्या है मैसेज? Okay, my goal is to progress, not try to impress. File 2, this is a clear message that your goal is to progress and not to impress people around you. You need to hold your own leash, okay? आप किसी और को अपनी लाइफ की डिसीजंस नहीं दे सकते. आप अपने लाइफ के डिसीजंस खुद बना सकते हो. So do whatever you want to do. Let's see what's more. What's more for file number. File number 2 के लिए और क्या है? I will just take this card, okay? Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. Oh wow. File number 2. This is a very strong message for you that you don't need to be afraid to fail, but you need to be afraid not to try things. अगर आप चीज़ों को ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो आप कब उन चीज़ों को एक बार एक्सपीरियंस कर पाओगे? ओके, इट्स ओके टू फेल, बट आपका ये तो रिग्रेट नहीं रहेगा कि हाँ, आई डिडंट ट्राई इट फॉर द वन टाइम। ठीक है, सो प्लीज डू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. Listen to your heart, listen to your soul, what it is saying to you. Listen to your ancestors, listen to the God who you believe in. उनको सुनो, क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं वो आपसे. So, pile number 2. That's all for the reading. If you like this reading, please do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and like this video. And I do take personal readings. If you want to have a session with me, please do contact me on my Instagram page. I will be there for you guys. And I will meet you again in the next reading. Bye. Hello, pile number 3. So, let's see what's coming for you in your July month. So, first, we will see your finances. Okay. Knight of Wands, आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ, चैरियट, आपकी हेल्थ, हाई प्रीस्टेस, आपकी लव लाइफ, okay, wow. I'll just take these cards. Three of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. And the overall month energy. Wow. Overall month energy. Overall month energy. Okay, Page of Cups. Okay, pile number 3. Financially, I really feel that कि आपकी life बहुत growth पे जा रही है this month. It's going to be like sudden celebration, sudden growth in your life, which will last for long. And आपकी जो work field में ना, you are getting recognized for certain things, and which is making you more confident and more reliable on your own self. I'm hesitating for a certain minute right now, and I really that you might have hesitated a lot in past to speak out your ideas, to speak out what you want to speak. So I really feel that now you will speak your mind and soul, and it will feel very good that if you want some kind of idea to be get approved, you will speak out for yourself. There might be some kind of opportunity coming in your way this month which will lead you to growth, which will lead you to a certain level where you haven't imagined yourself in your work field or in your college or in your school. I think so you will be enjoying this month a lot, like in your workspace. You will be enjoying a lot in this month. Personal life, I'm feeling that there might be some kind of growth or some kind of traveling in your personal environment. आप कहीं अपनी फैमिली के साथ इस मंथ ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, which will feel like a rejuvenating energy around you. Your parents will be very happy, and which will make you really happy. And I really feel that there is a lot of growth, like you are changing certain things in your life. You are changing some kind of aspects in your personal life, some kind of you are doing some kind of decoration at your home, और आप कुछ अपने घर पे कुछ अपने वॉल्स का कलर चेंज करवा रहे हो, या आप कुछ अपने रूम में चेंजेस ला रहे हो, तो कुछ आप ऐसा कर रहे हो दिस मंथ. Health, I really feel that it's great. It's going to be like you are overly चार्ज्ड एंड आपको अभी शायद आप कुछ दिन पहले आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, बट नाउ इन जुलाई मंथ इट्स गोइंग टू बी गुड. एंड आई रियली फील दैट कि आपका एक शिफ्ट हुआ है आपके हायर कॉन्शियस के साथ, दैट आपको ना आपके इंट्यूशन चक्रा माइट बी लाइक it might have opened because you did meditation in, that's why like it is open now and you are connected with your higher conscious. Sorry. And for for people who are in relationship, I really feel if, sorry, first I will say for the singles, I don't think so you are coming into a relationship or certain things, but people who are in relationship or married, I really feel uh, you might be struggling with your relationship right now, and it's going very hectic and chaotic, but please listen to me that July month will be a golden period for you to fix your relationship. Like three of swords is there, that means that you are very hurtful by, like you are very hurt by your partner, but in July month it's going to heal everything. You are like settling out things with your partner, and it's leading to a great success and which will feel good. July month is a very great time to fix your relationship with your partner, and it's going to be great. Okay. And overall month, I really feel that this month is going to be like a creative month for you. You might start doing something creative which you felt that you need to do it and which feels very connected to you. तो आप इस month कुछ ऐसी चीज कर सकते हो. You might go to a cooking class, dance class, art class, or you might join some kind of a like different kind of thing which is not popular in our society or which is very unconventional. आप कोई टैरो कोर्स भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, आप कोई डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विच आर नॉट लाइक नोन इन आर सोसाइटी. तो आप कुछ ऐसी चीज़ कर सकते हो. एंड आई रियली फील some of the people might color their hair and like they wanted to do it but they didn't have much time for that, but now in July month I think so कि आपके ना आप अपने बालों को कलर करोगे, आपको बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी उससे टू लाइक टू फाइंड योर क्रिएटिव साइड शायद. And this month is going to be a period where you will be feeling रिवॉर्डेड. लाइक आपने जो भी स्ट्रगल करी, जो भी आपने जिस भी चीज़ के लिए आपने हार्ड वर्क करा है ना, इस मंथ में आपको उस चीज़ का रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे, आपको उसके एक कंपनसेशन मिलेगा जो भी आपने झेला है. ठीक है. दिस मंथ इज गोइंग टू बी अ मंथ ऑफ लव, इज गोइंग टू बी अ मंथ फॉर growth, and it's a month for you where you will find a deep success, a success where you will feel that a deep emotion, you will feel to cry because of the success how आपने जो gain करी है. So let's see what's more for you. Bye. Guilt. Definitely, there is like some guilt in your head which will overcome in this month. Like आप किसी चीज़ के लिए guilty थे, but this month it's going to like vanish off. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में खत्म हो गई है इस मंथ में. Inner voice. You will be listening to your inner voice. You will be listening to what your heart and soul is saying. So आप उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा सुनोगे. You will listen to your intuition. Wow. See, same cards are like, this is like same. Like see this moon and same energy is present. Okay. So you will be listening to your intuition, you will be listening to your high conscious, and you will do something creative which will be very different, very eccentric, and you will find some growth in that thing also. So let's see what's more for you. 5-3. Innocence. I really feel that you will find your innocent side, you will find what your inner child is trying to tell you. बिकॉज जो बच्चा होता है ना उसमें ही एक इनोसेंस होती है, किसी बड़े में हम इनोसेंस बहुत कम ही पाते हैं. सो यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड योर इनर चाइल्ड, यू विल कनेक्ट विद योर इनर चाइल्ड थ्रू दिस क्रिएटिविटी, थ्रू दिस क्रिएटिव साइड ऑफ यू. ठीक है. लेट्स सी. existence. You will try to question the question about how things exist. मतलब अब बहुत सारी डीप चीज़ों के बारे में सोचोगे एंड यू विल क्वेश्चन देम दैट हाउ दीज थिंग्स एग्जिस्ट. जैसे जो भी हमारी सोसाइटी में नॉर्म्स बने हुए हैं, आप उनके क्वेश्चन करोगे कि वाई दीज थिंग्स आर एग्जिस्टिंग इन अ सोसाइटी, एंड यू विल गेट टू नो द आंसर्स. मतलब आप क्वेश्चन तो करोगे, बट पहले यू क्वेश्चन देम, बट आप उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स नहीं आपको मिल पाते थे. बट इन दिस मंथ यू विल गेट ऑल द आंसर्स ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस. जो भी आप सोचते थे, आपको लगता था कि यार दिस थिंग इज नॉट राइट, or this we are implementing this thing in a society, but why is that thing implemented, why is that? So आपको सारी क्वेश्चन के ना आंसर्स मिलेंगे अपने, जो भी एग्जिस्ट करती है चीज़ें सोसाइटी में और आपकी लाइफ. ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स मोर फॉर यू. पाइल 3. Pile 3, what's more for you? Okay. My goal is to progress, not to try to impress. Pile 3, if you were attracted to pile 1, do see that pile, because I really feel there might be some messages for you as well in that pile, because this card came out in that pile also. So, I don't know, pile 1 or pile 2. Oh, I just forgot. Okay, it's okay. I don't know which pile it came out, but please do see pile 1 if you were connected with it. Okay, pile 3, please do take care of yourself. अपने गोल्स बनाओ, दूसरों को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए नहीं, अपने आप को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए. ठीक है. अपनी प्रोग्रेस के लिए, अपने आप को बढ़ाने के लिए, अपनी ग्रोथ को करने के लिए. ठीक है. डू दैट प्लीज. किसी और को आपको इम्प्रेस करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. ओके. सो आई विल जस्ट टेक दिस कार्ड. Mindsets, habits, and routines are the building blocks for success towards your goals. Yes, you need to change your mindset. You need to change some habits and routines, and it will help you to grow in your life, and you will become a very very much great person. And this month is going to change a lot in your life. Like, you are trying to change your environment, you are trying to change many aspects of your life. Pile 3, this month you are leading to success. So, pile number 3. That's all for the reading. If you like this reading, please do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and like this video. And I do take personal readings. If you want to have a session with me, please do contact me on my Instagram page. I will be there for you guys. And I will meet you again in the next reading. Bye.